Hi, my name is Evan, and while I am just getting started here on YouTube, a lot of you may know me already from my Instagram page at Evan Ryan. Whether you're new here or we're already friends, my whole goal with sharing food recipes on the internet is to show you how easy eating a healthy, high protein, approachable vegan diet really can be. So today's video is a grocery haul when I went to Whole Foods and Costco. I do shop at various different grocery stores depending on the day of the week and what I need. So this video won't show all of my favorites, but it will show a really good variety of a lot of the things, the staple things that I eat every single week. My nutrition beliefs are pretty simple. I obviously eat a vegan diet. I am gluten-free, which is not by choice. And I try to eat as many whole foods as possible, and I just try to hit 100 grams of vegan protein every single day. When it comes to diet rules, I try not to obsess over anything and try to just live a really balanced, healthy lifestyle with not a lot of restriction. For me, that means cooking at home a majority of the time. I eat sweets or a chocolate every single day. I try to stick to whole foods when cooking at home. I cook with high quality oils like avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil. I try to eat organic when possible. I do also snack on those empty calories every single week, if not once a day. This can mean that some of the foods that you will see in the snack section of my video, it does contain things like seed oils or real sugar. I don't cook that way, so when it comes to snacks and easy portable items like that, I do sometimes just allow for that kind of thing so that I'm not obsessing too much on all the little bits. To me, this allows me to live the most balanced lifestyle possible while eating really healthy like 80% of the time and just never really feeling deprived so that I feel like I have to binge on any kind of junk food because I'm allowing it into my day-to-day life. So if you're vibing with me on my nutrition beliefs, then let's hop into today's grocery haul and see what I grabbed from Costco and Whole Foods for this particular week for two of us. So to start, I have a variety of primary and secondary protein sources. I grabbed some black beans and pinto beans to combine with a high protein starch to create a soy-free protein-packed meal. Beans have 100 calories per serving and 6 grams of protein, but keep in mind they also have 18 grams of carbohydrates per serving, making them primarily a carb source. However, carb source or not, enjoying a cup of beans for 12 grams of protein can be a great addition to your diet as long as you're considering them a carb source as well. Smoked tofu is a high-quality protein source and something I really enjoy having stocked in my fridge for quick meals or snacks because it tastes great straight out of the package. Smoked tofu has 15 grams of protein per 140 calories, as well as being a great source of calcium, iron, and potassium. This soy-free tofu is a great alternative to soy-based tofu. It's made from fava beans and is actually higher in protein per serving than soy-based tofu. It has 16 grams of protein per 70 calories, which makes it an insanely good protein source. However, it doesn't offer much in calcium, potassium, or iron. Still a great option to include in a high-protein diet. Chickpea pasta is one of my absolute favorite pantry staples. At 23 grams of protein per serving, as well as loads of essential vitamins and minerals from the combination of chickpeas and lentils. It's a super simple to cook option, and I love that you can simply add a jar of tomato sauce and some spinach for a complete meal with protein, carbs, fats, and micronutrients. Next up, you can't go wrong with hemp seeds. They have all 9 essential amino acids, protein, healthy fats, and omegas. While they're primarily a fat source, you can't ignore the quality protein they add to your meals as well. What I love about them the most is how easy they are to add to everything from salads, oatmeal, wraps, and bowls. Next are some vegan dairy options that I really enjoy, starting with the Earth Island mayo. I usually buy the soy-free option simply because I enjoy a serving of 2 of soy every day from other sources. This is definitely considered a fat source when adding to my sandwiches or wraps. While it's not a health food, neither is regular mayo, and this is a great substitute. I really think most people wouldn't notice this vegan swap. This Applewood smoked cheddar is insanely good and actually is a very clean vegan cheese option. You'll see the ingredients here start with cashews, as well as some simple seasonings, and it even contains probiotics for your gut health. While it doesn't cut like cheddar cheese, it's a great spread that tastes amazing. I definitely recommend checking this brand out. My absolute favorite vegan yogurt is the oat-based Greek yogurt from Maision Riviera. At 190 calories per serving and 13 grams of protein, it's an incredible ready-to-eat source of protein. It's also fortified with essential vitamins like B12, vitamin D, and A, as well as calcium and iron. They keep it pretty simple when it comes to the ingredients, which again is not always easy to find when looking at vegan alternatives. Next up are the veggies I grabbed from Costco. I'm not big on buying vegetables from there as I try to buy organic as much as possible, but they did have this big container of organic grape tomatoes. The cucumbers aren't organic, but I love these mini Persian cucumbers so much for snacking. And the one veg I always buy is the large size organic greens for salads and cooking. You really can't beat the price for these. This round of veggies is from Whole Foods. I always grab some yellow cooking onions. I had a particular meal prep I was doing this week, so the limes were for that. As well as the apples, the bell peppers, fresh cilantro, green onions, and yellow potatoes were for those recipes. I realize not everyone can buy all organic produce, but I do recommend trying at least to buy organic when it comes to the Dirty Dozen list. I also grabbed these bananas. We love them for a snack, baking, or adding to oatmeal and yogurt bowls throughout the week. For some random bits I grabbed, the Costco size seasonings are a really good price and last forever, so I stocked up on garlic powder. While I love fresh garlic in recipes, garlic powder is such a great spice to add to all the dishes for flavor. I don't usually buy spray oil, but I recently bought a waffle maker and this is the easiest way to oil that up. I do highly recommend this particular Chosen Foods spray avocado oil because you will be shocked at how many ingredients are in some other spray oils. This one is only avocado oil, which is the way it should be. Next up is peanut butter. While I wish this was organic, the bundle price for these large peanut butters is so good. Peanut butter is a great healthy fat to add to oatmeal bowls, overnight oats, or my pre-workout rice cakes with sea salt. The 1 Degree Organic sprouted oats are an absolute staple in our house. They are gluten-free as well as glyphosate-free, and the huge bonus is that they are sprouted, which means you get more available vitamins, minerals, and protein per bite in comparison to an unsprouted version. This particular brand even has a QR code you can scan to find out exactly where your oats were grown and who the farmer was. For a snack, these Lundberg Farms rice cakes are insanely delicious. They're probably one of the more pricey rice cakes on the shelf, but I honestly think they are so worth it. They're always super crunchy and fresh, and I always have these as a pre-workout snack with peanut butter. This garlic hummus duo is from Costco. It's super creamy and delicious. Obviously, this is an easy thing to make, but sometimes having a ready-made snack option is just what's best for busier weeks. It does use canola oil, which I know is an issue for many, but as I mentioned in the beginning, I never cook with it and believe that all things in moderation are totally okay. My favorite crackers ever are these Simple Mills almond flour crackers. They are vegan and paleo friendly. The ingredients are primarily a nut and seed blend with seasonings and yes, organic sunflower oil. They are crunchy and salty and they just totally hit the spot for me when I need a salty snack. They also go perfectly with that hummus. If you're not buying Boom Chicka Pop, I don't even know if you're on the same planet. This Ready Pop popcorn is such a good snack. A great way to boost your protein is to add a big serving of nutritional yeast to your bowl of popcorn. Next is my newest obsession, which is these Pasa garden salsa tortilla chips. They legitimately taste like healthier vegan Doritos. They're not light on the calories per serving though, so snack wisely. If you're currently trying to cut any body fat, I like to add a small bowl to the side of my meals so I can enjoy them while also eating a satiating meal so as not to overdo it. I'm not even a cheese puff girl, but these Hippeas chickpea puff snacks are so dang good. Even I find myself grabbing a handful here and there. They do have a bit of protein per serving, not anything to get super excited about considering 220 calories to 7 gram protein ratio, but something to acknowledge nonetheless. Lastly on this haul, we love to grab a sparkling beverage when you want something more special to drink than water. These bubbly sodas are significantly cheaper than a La Croix or other fancy bubbly beverage on the market, and considering they have the exact same ingredients of carbonated water and natural flavors. So that's everything I grabbed this week at the grocery store. If you like this kind of video and you like high protein vegan recipes, then make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more videos just like this one.